pollination. I want to get into that next. Now, there are many fruits, vegetables, but plenty of plants out there that need to be pollinated in order to produce. Right? A good example would be peppers. Right now, you can do it by hand, sure. Peppers, melons, citrus trees, the list goes on. How does companion planting help with pollination?
Pollinators. We all love our pollinators. Whether that's bees, bumblebees, honeybees, butterflies, hummingbirds, moths, whatever it is, you're creating a home for them to come in. So we bring them in with things like calendula, lavender, nasturtiums. Once again, right? Like these, so many of these are interchangeable. You're creating a home for them to come in, and if they're drawn and attracted to the potential pollinate flowers and things that are in your garden, then you've got more pollinators kicking around. They're going to be able to pollinate your cucumbers, your melons, your peppers, and all the other things that are honestly so annoying to hand pollinate. If you've ever hand pollinated cucumbers, you will understand how much you love pollinators to come in and do that job for you. But that's it, right? You get more of an abundant crop. One of my favorites, cucamelons. I don't know if you've ever seen these things. These little, they're like in between a cucumber and a watermelon. They're only like this big. They're the most adorable little things. But they produce hundreds of little flowers. And every day when you go out, they would be full of bees doing their thing. It brings them in. But for me, that's like a little garden snack. So I could walk out, get like a pocket full of those, and walk around and check your crops. But things like that, like bringing in your nasturtiums, your milkweed, and all these flowers that like bring in hummingbirds and pollinators. They're just making sure that there's a little more, there's more bees, there's more hummingbirds, and there's more friends to go around to make sure you're actually getting your crops to pollinate properly. And it works. You get way more of an abundant crop, and it's way easier that way.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.